Periodic table trends, anions. Anions form when a neutral atom gains one or more electrons. I don't know if I'm saying anions right, but yeah. They are negatively charged and they are larger than their neutral parent atom. Gaining electrons from a neutral atom means that the electron is greater than the proton. Electrons in the cloud repel each other, and the electron cloud spreads out. I cannot talk. Non-metals are what commonly form anions. So an example of this would be In, which has 7 protons and 7 electrons, and you're adding 3 electrons to that. So then you would have In -3, 7 protons, and 10 electrons. So the In would be less than the In -3. Ionization energy. Ionization energy is the energy required to remove an electron from a gaseous atom to form a cation. The larger the ionization energy, the more energy required to remove the electron. With each electron lost, it becomes increasingly difficult to remove electrons because the remaining electrons are held even more tightly by the nucleus. This means that effective nuclear charge increases. Ionization energy, when going down a group, ionization energy decreases because the electrons being removed is further from the nucleus with each level added and is shielded from the nuclear pool by the electrons between the nucleus and itself. This means that effective nuclear charge is decreased by shielding. And then when going across a period, ionization energy increases because its atoms get smaller, electrons being removed is closer to the nucleus, and it's harder to remove due to the increasing attraction between the nucleus and the electrons. Factors affecting ionization energy. Nuclear charge. The larger the nuclear charge, the greater the ionization energy. Shielding effect. The greater the shielding effect, the less the ionization energy. Radius. The greater the distance between the nucleus and the outer electrons of an atom, the less the ionization energy. Electronegativity. The ability of an atom and a molecule to attract shared electrons to itself. With electronegativity, when going down a group, electronegativity decreases going down because the atoms get larger and the shared electrons are further from the nucleus and the force of attraction is less. When going across a period, electronegativity increases going across because atoms get smaller and the shared electrons are closer to the nucleus and force of attraction is greater. Because most noble gases do not form compounds, they do not have electronegativities. So noble gases only apply with ionization energy and atomic radius, not with electronegativity.